In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar in Shopify. We're going to take your existing Google Calendar and display it on a page in your Shopify store, so visitors can see your upcoming events without leaving your site. This involves two simple parts: grabbing the embed code from Google Calendar and then placing that code into a Shopify page using the HTML editor. Start by opening a web browser and going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the calendar you want to share. On the left side, in the list of calendars, hover over the calendar you plan to embed. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. You'll land on that calendar's individual settings. Before you copy anything, make sure the calendar is visible to the public. In the Access Permissions area, check Make Available to Public and confirm the prompt. This is important because a private calendar won't display for your site visitors. If you'd rather not expose personal events, consider using a dedicated calendar just for public-facing events. Next, scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. Here you'll see an iframe embed code that starts with the word iframe and includes a SRC link. Select and copy that entire snippet. If you want, you can note the width and height values inside the code. You can adjust those later to better fit your store's layout. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. In the left menu, go to Online Store, then Pages. You can create a new page by clicking Add Page, or choose an existing page you'd like to use. When the page editor opens, look for the Show HTML icon. It looks like a pair of angle brackets, and click it to switch from the rich text editor to the HTML view. This is crucial because pasting an iframe into the normal editor won't render properly. Paste the iframe code you copied from Google Calendar directly into the HTML editor. If you want your calendar to appear larger or smaller, you can tweak the width and height numbers in the code now. When you're happy with it, click Save. To confirm everything worked, view the page on your storefront. You should see your Google Calendar embedded right there. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the calendar is set to public and that you copied the embed code from the correct calendar. That's all there is to it. Your Google Calendar is now live on your Shopify page.